something kind of caught on fire.
Oh my God, something is caught on fire. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Well, we don't know yet because there's smoke and then there's a helicopter and there's woods.
I'm missing to clickbait this and say fire, fire. I'm honestly not gonna lie. You guys could kind of see the smoke, like right there, like right here. There's helicopter right there.
Yeah, there's that helicopter with the green light.
There's a helicopter over here. Oh, never mind. That's the cars. Look it up there.
Right there. You might want to take the
This is some content. Guys, so I think it's kind of like circling or something.
Yeah, this is. I'm kind of where like that. That's probably like a noise or something. What is that?
Like, excuse me.
That could be on the
This sucks.
Wait, you can't see. There.
Just do it.
Like,
If I was so, oh damn.
You dumb because of use.
He laughed. What happened?
You're ugly. Go ahead, dance, 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 dance. Just like, wow. Oh, better be careful, you're gonna fall.
I'm pretty sure something caught on fire.
Honestly, cause I don't know.
Why is there smoke?
Oh, I don't know. Just maybe like he said to let's go, so we went and.
I said we should have went to the park.
Mhm.
You said, okay, let's go to the park.
No.
you said that. You said let's go.
I didn't say let's
They're not gonna do nothing here.
I said we should have went to the park. See? Are you guys putting my words backwards?
No, it's okay. See, I'm trying to muffle. I'm trying to muffle it, Ivory. I muffled it, but I'm gonna cut it out. That is your favorite and they're caught on fire.
Okay, if you're upset, then why don't you just go?
Yes, you saw it. Yeah, honestly, I saw it. So, we just heard helicopters and we thought it was starting, so not sponsored.
I'm not gonna take care of you can go jump in the trash can.
Okay, that's where he belongs.
Yeah.
Let's dance. So make sure to watch the next video, because the next video we are going to be doing.
Oh yeah, squishy blindfolded.
No, it's guess that squishy.
Oh yeah,
one.
sorry. Guess that squishy blindfolded.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be really cool. And I don't think we've done this challenge before, so it's gonna be new and I'm really excited to do this. And we got some stuff over there.
Look at there's a search copter.
Oh yeah.
Guys, you can't see, but there is a search copter right there. Like, I'm not joking. That's a searcher. He was searching. I don't know.
I'm kind of scared.
Did you see it? Like the lights?
Yeah, I saw that.
You guys can't see on my tablet because my tablet sucks. But it actually did that. Like, I'm not that. See that one that's blinking? Can't really see it.
No ink.
You can't really see it. Like, now it's searching. It was searching. Look at, guys. You can see. Yes, you can see it.
Yeah, that kind of looks like UFO.
Yeah. No, it's searching for something. This is kind of entertaining.
Yeah, look at you can tell the lights moving. They're searching.
You guys, I'm so excited. You can see.
I don't know if they're searching for somebody.
I don't know if they're searching for either firework because it's illegal. It's not. It's unillegal. Whatever. It's legal. I don't know how you say illegal. Illegal, which is so stupid, idiot. I'm gonna fight the mayor. Just shh. Never know what it is. Okay, sorry, okay, it's a joke. Don't come for me, government. But like, yeah, you can hear it. Shh. ASMR. See that dot that's like blinking? No, no, they can either look for that because it's like illegal, because the fireworks here are illegal now, or they can be looking for. They're coming near us, guys, right there. Or they could be looking just to see where the fire is. Guys, we're gonna be on news. Hey, look, Ma, I made it. Did you? Guys, I'm vlogging every part of it. Right there, right there.
I know, this is super scary now.
Remember I told you earlier about the walkers?
I think they just pop out and eat us. No, I'm not gonna go right there.
Guys, so I think we're gonna go, but so it's like over there. So scary.
The 9:47. Okay.
Okay, guys. So I think we're gonna stay here for a couple more minutes.
So I don't think this is clickbait at all. I think this is real bait.
Yeah, like
I don't know if you guys can see us, but we don't care.
yeah. Just okay.
Hey! See, everybody just waving. Come on, hold it.
Yeah.
Careful. I don't know if you can see me.
Yeah, I can. Ooh, look at this content, guys. You guys are super lucky. You guys get this beautiful content right here. Okay. I don't know why, but now you can't really see, but it's okay, guys. You can't really see her. Guys, this is 7 minutes. There's some people right there. Got some cars right there, right there.
Back to me. Bring the beautiful camera.
Actually, back to me and my sissy. Back.
Because I don't think he's a football player. Yeah.
Pay attention to me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
You want to dance?
No.
He is scared.
This is pretty long, guys.
So by the way, if you can't, sorry, but if you can't see it, I don't have flash, which is super annoying. So yeah.
I think I
Yeah.
Okay.
Go. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! That's our fans! Hey! 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 See that, guys? see, guys? Oh my gosh, are you okay? So, guys, that is her fans. So that's her fans.
Yes. One of them is Michael. One of them
Is Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande.
One's name is
Michael Jordan. Wait,
Kylie.
what the heck? My name is Kendall.
One's is called my name Jeff.
Yeah. One is also called the Ugly Pool. Right there is my fan. Oh my god.
See, this is her #1 fan.
Okay. I'm gonna take pictures. Look at this guy.
I didn't say it was a fireworks this year. Did I? No.
Dance it off. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, okay. Oh, whoa. That's like the cramped arms.
Peppa Pig.
Oh, Peppa Pig style. Peppa Pig coming at you hot. Oh my god. Hey, hey, it's your birthday. Ooh, hey, hey, it's your birthday. Hey, hey, it's your birthday. Ooh, ooh, whoa.
I didn't put a bow on.
Coming on my cell phone.
This is called the Hello There.
What is this called again?
The Hello There.
Hello there. Okay. Oh, woo! That was one of her fans.
Yeah,
It's called Mona Madness. Yeah, sis.
I love their channel actually. No.
Their video is not linked in the description.
Nope, it's not.
But can you see me?
Yeah, you just have to kind of do it like this. No, it's darker here.
Right here, right here.
No, over here.
Right here.
Yes, there you go.
Hey guys. Wow. Up here, Christmas. Merry July 4th.
Last time,
Yeah.
I thought you were putting it over, right?
No, I was doing this too. I was doing both at the same time. Under my umbrella. Ew. Really move that 3, please? Excuse me?
It's like open.
The guy coming over. Come on. He's just scared of you. Yo, you better fight that pool.
This, like, no. This is so weird because we're just doing like random stuff.
Yeah, this is like the random vlog, but we're gonna name this
Thumbnail, guys.
no, we're gonna say a tree caught because I don't know what to call it because like something did actually happen. We say something caught on fire. See that something caught on fire, guys. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you could just say something caught on fire by fire. Something caught on
No, and then something caught on fire, and then something caught on fire by fireworks. Police searchers came.
And aliens came too.
Yeah, aliens came.
What is up with them? So guys, right now I was standing in the middle of the road and someone ran over my chipmunk. I bet this sounds someone would do it like that. Guys, I was really
Look like the Grinch. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You're a better No, let me show you. Here, look it. Here, I'll show you how to do it, okay?
my nails, guys.
Can't see your nails.
It's okay, I'll
You
show you
will
guys
know in
them
the next
tomorrow.
video.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Look, I'll show you how it's done. Ready?
It's about to be 15 minutes. You guys can see her shadow, but it's okay. Ooh, girl, get it. Oh my gosh, she looks like a circle.
Hey.
Look at these things which way go.
The internet is not working.
That's sad.
You're pushing great. This is like a vlog of doing a random thing, but
on Merry July 4th.
happy 4th of July. Okay. Oh my god. She loves Squishy. She loves like. She loves like all those people. Okay. I was not talking about you.
Go ahead.
So you know.
Look, right there.
Oh my god.
Guys, see that flashing light?
Look, what the heck are they doing?
Guys, I don't know if you can see that. You should.
Solar is in this drone.
I know. Guys, do you see that flashing light? Right there. Whoa, go get. You got this. Oh my god, do you hear that? Stop! That's so hilarious. What are you doing?
You need to see them. Look at me. I mean, it's okay because they're my fans. So you guys can follow their Instagram down below.
Um,
What's Mr. Grass mean?
and the number one trash can.
Yeah. Yeah, I get that. But Brooks, why?
It actually says Brett, guys. OMG. I really wish I had Flash. I might like check on how to do Flash. I don't know if we should end it. Should we end it in a little bit?
Well, what is it?
15 minutes. We have to stop it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video like, don't forget to subscribe, and bye.
Bye, guys. Guys, love you guys.